Semiconductors are the heart of modern technology, from smartphones to satellites. But what exactly are they? Today we break down what semiconductors are, their applications across industries, and how they've transformed the electronics and computing world. We also explore semiconductor standards and their importance in global trade and development. Hello and welcome to Consumer Times, your guide to understanding the technologies that impact your daily life. In today's episode, we are exploring one of the most important building blocks of the modern world, semiconductors. A semiconductor is a material with conductivity between that of a conductor, like copper, and an insulator, like glass. Silicon is the most commonly used semiconductor material. What makes semiconductors so valuable is their ability to control the flow of electricity. This property enables them to act as switches or amplifiers in electronic circuits. In simple terms, semiconductors are the tiny brains that make modern electronics possible. Semiconductors are used in almost every electronic device, from your mobile phone to cars, TVs, industrial machines, and even medical equipment. They are essential in automation, robotics, telecommunications, energy grids, and defense systems. In industrial settings, semiconductors power sensors, microcontrollers, and actuators that are vital for maintaining precision and safety. For example, in the automotive industry, semiconductors are used in engine control units, safety sensors, infotainment systems, and now in electric vehicles, EVs, and autonomous driving. The global electronics industry wouldn't exist without semiconductors. Every computer chip, whether in your smartwatch or a supercomputer, is made from millions, sometimes billions, of tiny semiconductor components called transistors. Transistors act like tiny switches that turn electric signals on and off, forming the basic logic of digital electronics. Integrated circuits, ICs, made up of these transistors, are the brains of all digital devices. In India, the electronics market is one of the fastest growing in the world, projected to reach over $400 billion by 2030. The government's push for semiconductor manufacturing through the India Semiconductor Mission aims to make the country a global hub for chip production. In computing, semiconductors are used in CPUs, central processing units, GPUs, graphics processing units, RAM, random access memory, SSDs, solid-state drives, and networking components. These chips handle everything from booting up your computer to running complex applications, gaming, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. They determine the speed, power, and efficiency of modern computers. High-performance computing systems, data centers, and AI processors rely on advanced semiconductor technology built on nanometer-scale transistors. The development of semiconductors involves advanced science and engineering. The process includes designing circuits at a microscopic level, manufacturing chips using photolithography and etching techniques. Leading companies like TSMC, Intel, and Samsung dominate chip manufacturing. However, countries like India are entering the field with new fabrication plants and R&D centers to become self-reliant in chip technology. Semiconductor components must meet international standards to ensure compatibility, performance, and safety. These standards are set by organizations like JADAC, Joint Electron Device Engineering Council, IAC, International Electrotechnical Commission, IAEA, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Standards define everything from material purity and chip size to signal speed and environmental tolerance. These norms are crucial for global trade, regulatory compliance, and product interoperability. India is actively engaging with these global bodies to establish its own framework for semiconductor governance and ensure consumer safety and trust. As a consumer, semiconductors affect you in countless ways. They power your smartphones, your banking systems, transportation networks, and even smart home devices. Supply chain disruptions, like those seen during the COVID-19 pandemic, led to chip shortages that increased prices and delayed the availability of everything from phones to cars. Understanding semiconductors helps consumers make informed decisions about technology use, data privacy, product longevity, and repairability. The future lies in smaller, faster, and more energy efficient chips. Technologies like 3D chip stacking, quantum computing, and neuromorphic chips are being developed to push boundaries. India's growing ecosystem of startups, researchers, and policymakers is creating new opportunities for innovation, job creation, and tech sovereignty. Semiconductors may be tiny, but their impact is enormous. As consumers and citizens, staying informed about this core technology helps us engage with the digital world responsibly. Thanks for watching Consumer Times. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping India and the world.